Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan heatsink assembly, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, and system board. Removal. Remove the two 7mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the two 7mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Open the display panel hinges. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and display panel cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna and display panel cables from the routing channels on the top cover. Lift the top cover off of the display panel assembly and remove. Replacement. Note: when installing a new top cover, remove the following from the old top cover and install on the new top cover: power connector cable, USB board, card reader board, speakers, touchpad button board, power button board. Place the top cover into position on the display panel assembly. Route the display panel and wireless antenna cables through the routing channels on the top cover. Close the display panel hinges. Replace the two 7mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Replace the two 7mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.